This is the video solution for the yesterday's Code Forces contest, Division 2 Code Forces 658. The problem number A. So we have given two sequences of length n and m, sequence A and B. We have to find the subsequence x, which is common in both the sequence A and B, and we have to find the smallest such subsequence which is common in both A and B. Let us say the common subsequence of have the length t, length is say f. Then we know that if you take even the one letter from the f, that will also be common to both A and B, because complete string of length f will be common to both A and B. It implies that even every letter in the f will be common to both A and B. And since we require the least common smallest subsequence possible, the smallest subsequence possible will be either be 1 or 0. If it is 1, if it is yes, and if it is 0, then it is no. In case of yes, we have to find the letter which is at least one letter which is common in both sequence A and B, and easily we can find it by hash table. That is, store all the letters in the subsequence A in some hash table map, and while passing through the subsequence of B, if there is some number B, don't store the elements in the B in the map. Just while traversing the B, see whether if that element is there in the hash table, whether the element is present in map or not. If it is present, yes, and answer will be 1, x, the number which is present in both A and B. Thanks. The time complexity of this solution will be O n plus m into t. But since the sum of it's given in the constraint is given that sum of the n and sum of the m are less than or equal to 10 power 3. So we can make, so it is better, easier solution will be for each element in A, see whether that element is present in B or not. This will take the time complexity of this will be n into m into t. But since the sigma n is less than or equal to 10 power 3 and sigma of m less than or equal to 10 power 3, multiplication of n into m is 10 power 6, which will pass through the solution, which is far from very far from 10 power 8. So even this solution would be fine, and it is very easy to write, right? Thank you. If you have any doubt, please reply in the comment section. Thanks.